everybody! Welcome to my very first review video. I am reviewing a set of eyelashes that I have since torn asunder. I got them at CVS for $16. I'm gonna try and reconstruct the packaging. They are the ARDELL Magnetic Liner and Lash Kit. I'm almost always using ARDELL lashes because they have the invisible band in the center and I think that they just blend nicer. I'm wearing the lashes right now. The kit comes with a magnetic eyeliner and a small brush to apply it. If they work the way they say that they work, then it will have been a very, very wise investment for me to make. So this review is going to be both for quality and for whether or not I think they would last at a convention. Let's all get into the Wayback Machine and go to before I had these eyelashes on and see what my first impressions were. In case you're wondering why I only have one eyeliner on, it is because I am going to try using the magnetic gel liner on one eye, and for the other one, I'm gonna try putting the magnetic gel liner over my regular liner. Let's start with the package. I have ripped and torn this thing asunder. Into tiny pieces I have shredded this thing. Obviously, it is the ARDELL Professional Magnetic Lash Kit. It comes with magnetic gel liner. It also comes with this very, very small brush. I'm not in love with the brush. It's a little bit flimsy. My regular eyeliner is NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner. It's not in like a pen or anything. It's just a brush, and I do that because I'm a crazy person, but I like the control better. That's what I did this eye with, and the other one I'm just gonna go for the magnetic gel liner. It's really tiny. It's really small. The package itself, the little glass thing that it comes in, is only a little bit smaller than my brow pomade, but it only has like 2 grams of the stuff in it. So when you open it, it has this very tiny well of gel eyeliner. I'm going to start with the brush that they gave me, and I'm probably going to swap brushes to one of my stiffer ones because I don't love how soft this is for eyeliner, but we'll give it a shot and see. So I'm just taking just a little bit. It looks pretty creamy. God, this thing is so hard to hold. It's so tiny. And I have small hands too. That's not... I can't tell if I hate the formula or if the brush is just as bad as I thought it was gonna be, because it's smudging all over the place. But I think it might be the brush. I have this like Sephora brush that's like a little angled brush that I'm just gonna try and like tap it a couple times and go at it again. Ugh. Oh, brother. Oh, brother. Every day for high school, I used to use gel eyeliner, and every time I use gel eyeliner another time, I am reminded why I don't use gel eyeliner anymore. Oh, it's kind of sticky. like check that, like it sticks to my brush. You can see kind of right there. It doesn't smell bad. Oh, okay, I gotta see this through. Oh. Oh. I'm going to bite my tongue and I'm going to apply it to the other side now so I can have something to like hang my lashes on. I think that this is the method that I would definitely recommend because it is so much easier to apply it over an eyeliner that is already on you as opposed to one, because this is very nice. This is very fun. This is, my eyeliner does not look any different now. Oh, brother. I feel like that's all I can say about it. Like, my instinct is just, ugh. All right, let's clean up this side a little. Please. Oh, no. Oh, and it doesn't come off for anything. This is great. I'll be right back. So I went in with some micellar water and I cleaned up the wing over here on the left. I tried to use the magnetic eyeliner for just the entire eye. It left me wanting. So I took some more of my NYX liquid eyeliner and I just filled in the wing, and I'm just gonna do it again. That is so much nicer. Now we can see if it actually worked. I don't have a ton of faith in magnetic eyelashes. I want them to work. I want them to work so badly. If it is as easy as just applying it to my eyeliner, so what I'm gonna do first is take some mascara and I'm just gonna coat my eyelashes once like I would like I'm putting on normal lashes, because I feel like mascara is kind of the baseline for me. going to start with the eyelash that goes on my right eye, which is the one that I started with NYX, and then put the magnetic eyeliner over it. Right off the bat, I'm not super optimistic because you can't cut it, and that's one thing that I've found that I have to do to pretty much every eyelash that I own. But you can't do that here because the magnets are attached to the lash. Because the magnets are flush with the lash ends, you can't cut it. I'm hoping that it's not going to be too large for my eyelashes, but let's give this a try. I'm gonna zoom in. Oh. Holy shit, it worked. I think what I need to do is, specifically with this one, is put more of the magnetic stuff on the inner corner of my eye. Hello? What's up? Wow. Wow. Okay, overall, this is incredible. I'm actually floored by how well it works. So final thoughts. The gel eyeliner itself, on its own, sucks. It somehow smudged everywhere and yet nowhere at the same time. As for the lashes themselves, Ardell lashes are some of my favorite lashes just across the board. I think that these are incredible. I am actually like stunned by how awesome and easy they are to use and how I'm screwing it up as we speak. I think that the final verdict on this, on whether or not I would trust them at a convention, is yes, as long as I'm not doing something crazy like dancing a ton or drinking or at a water park. Across the board, this is a really, really awesome way to pop on some eyelashes if you're in a hurry. I know personally, as somebody who has chronic pain, that eyelash glue can make my eyes feel really fatigued. The difference is like night and day. Like I might wear these daily kind of a thing. I think magnetic eyelashes are going to be the way to do things from here on out for me. I'm definitely not getting rid of my eyelash glue because I like doing individuals and you can't really do that on your lower lashes with magnetic eyeliner because I don't like putting eyeliner on my lower lash line. For top eyelashes, I think it's invaluable and I love it. My biggest tips are, one, get a different eyeliner that you can put this on top of as opposed to just using this eyeliner because you won't get the results you're looking for. Number two, make sure you have the correct size that you want. If you don't want a full lash, they have them in demi lashes. They have them in singles, I think. An eyelash applicator, this little like I have this little pair of tweezers that's good for applying fake eyelashes. It's not necessary. I found it really easy to pop these suckers on with my fingers, but if you have less motor control or you have issues with keeping your hand steady, whatever the case may be, I do recommend getting one of these. And I think that might be the end of this video. So thank you for tuning in. I hope you like the content of it. If you want to see more reviews like this, let me know, and I'll go find new things to review to put them into a convention context. If you aren't already following me on my social media, all of my links are down below, including now my Twitch. As usual, if you liked the video, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share to your friends who you think would be interested in magnetic eyelashes. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a lovely day. I don't think that I could say it any better than that.
I'll do your outro next time.
Okay, thanks.
You're so welcome.
I appreciate it. As usual, if
like, comment, and subscribe.
I always add one little thing where I'm like talking to myself or something. This is going to be rife with it because the two of us can't shut up for 2 seconds.
Because I'm here and I